Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with my brand new TCL 10L. So this is the lighter version of the TCL 10 Pro. This is the 64GB model. So we're just going to take a look and see how much storage we get fresh out of the box. So we're going to look at the default storage fresh out of the box and see how much storage we actually get out of the advertised 64 gigs. Okay, so since unboxing it this morning, I have only hooked up to the Wi-Fi. I've not even inserted my SD card yet. And as you can see, I've not signed into the Google Play Store, so I have not downloaded any applications. And these are all the pre-installed apps that come with the device. Okay, so yeah, let's check out the default storage fresh out of the box. So I'm just going to go into the settings and go to storage. Okay, so fresh out of the box, you're gonna get 48.98 gigabytes free, and 23% is being used. So let's just click on that. Okay, so the system is using 13 gigs and other applications are using 2.1 GB. Photos and videos is using 0.10 GB. Music and audio is using 0.6 GB. And it's saying here 15.3 GB is being used out of the 64 gigs. And here you can free up some space. So these are the infrequently used applications. So if you want to free up some space, you can just select these and just select free up space. And you can also turn on the storage manager, and this will automatically free up space by removing backed up content from your device. So let's just turn that on. And now some space should have been freed up. Let's just go back there. So yeah, guys, fresh out of the box, this is what you're going to get out of your 64 gigs, 48.97 GB. So yeah, this was just my quick video taking a look at the default storage on the TCL 10L budget device. Okay, so if it helped you out, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, share the video. Thanks for watching. It's your boy, the Android Doctor. I'm out. Deuces.